or submit them on our website.
So you're seeing a lot of snow in southern and southwestern New Mexico, especially. Eastern New Mexico got in on the action last night, and this is a look at some of those impressive snowfall totals. Take a look at Portales checking in this morning with 10 inches of snow. These are fresh numbers from the National Weather Service. Cannon Air Force Base picking up 6 inches of snow. Los Lunas 4 inches, and Fort Sumner 3 inches. Of course, here in the metro, some areas just picking up a quick dusting. So we saw most of the action in the eastern half of the state during the overnight hours. This is a look at US 54 in Vaughn. Still snow-packed and icy roads there, so give yourself some extra time in the eastern half of the state. Same deal in Tucumcari as we continued with the off and on snow during the overnight hours, and you can see Interstate 40 not looking too good right now. So give yourself some extra time along Interstate 40 around Santa Rosa over to Tucumcari. If you don't have to be on the roads this morning, just stay indoors and enjoy the warmth in your home, because it is on the cold side no matter where you are in the state, despite the fact that it has stopped snowing in most areas. Roswell, you had a little bit of light snow earlier this morning. That has now broken up a little bit and pushed off to your east-northeast. And then around Clovis, seeing some light snow falling in your area. Same deal around Tucumcari. Eventually, this band of snow will be winding down and pushing into Texas. So just another 2 to 3 hours of the snow, and then we'll clear our skies out in the eastern half of the state. Where it was clear and dry overnight, temperatures starting out in the teens in Farmington, 8 degrees in Gallup, 12 in Grants. We're in the lower 20s in the metro, even the teens in places like Carlsbad and Hobbs. You're at 19, 29 in Tiercy, and 27 in Alamogordo. On top of that, of course, there is a little bit of a breeze. Wind sustained around 15 miles per hour here in the metro, a 7-mile-per-hour wind and Grants. So when you factor in that wind, this is what it feels like on your skin. It feels like it's only 2 degrees in Grants, 0 in Gallup, 4 in Farmington, and it feels like it's 14 below in Cortez. So you're going to have to bundle up this morning. The good news is we're going to see that sunshine, and by the afternoon, temperatures climbing back to more seasonal highs for today, then above average as we head into the upcoming week, and you'll see that in just a second. Timing everything out on Superstorm Track, all that action that I just showed you in eastern New Mexico, the leftover snow will be winding down, especially as we get closer to lunchtime, seeing a lot of sunshine in central and western New Mexico. Then take a look at what happens as we head into the overnight. Another cold front's going to move in. It's not a big deal, just some light spotty snow around Raton, Interstate 25, and parts of the northern mountains, a couple of inches, 1 to 2 inches at most. That's not going to stick around for very long. By early on your Sunday, we're clearing our skies out, and that of course means we'll see more sunshine for the second half of your weekend. And then by Tuesday here in Albuquerque, temperatures breaking back into the 50s. So beginning in southern Colorado for today, a lot of sunshine, temperatures into the middle to upper 20s, lower 30s, and Cortez. Another cold night in store for tonight, of course, with those clear skies, temperatures falling back into the single digits. The 40s do return to Durango by Tuesday and Wednesday, so even southern Colorado will feel some milder temperatures as we head into the upcoming week. Over to Farmington, 32, 31 in Gallup, 32 in Grants. Then cold tonight once again. The 40s return for Tuesday and Wednesday around the Four Corners. Over to the southwest, some areas of morning fog, not a big deal out there right now. Temperatures into the 40s for highs this afternoon. Then the 50s make a comeback for Monday and Tuesday. Over to the southeast, some leftover spotty snow around Roswell and Clovis. That will be tapering off. And then the 50s returning for your Tuesday and Roswell with a lot of sunshine. And then over to the northeast, some morning snow left over right now around Interstate 40 and Tucumcari. Again, give yourself some extra time on the roads there. And then after that morning snow, we will see a slight chance for some spotty snow showers around the northern mountains into places like Raton later on tonight. More sunshine for this afternoon here in Espanola, 34, 29 in Santa Fe. Then over to the East Mountains, we're clearing out, a lot of sunshine. Temperatures staying cold, 20s and 30s. The 40s return to Edgewood by Tuesday. And then over to the metro, we'll be likely in the upper 30s, lower 40s for most areas. A lot of sunshine. Temperatures will stay in the 40s for the second half of the weekend, in the 50s by Tuesday, 51 degrees, and much quieter weather for the week ahead.
All right, thanks, Chris. Well, Carlsbad Caverns